Hello friends, this is Jerry from A-Onesys trading the bank lines. Here's the trading disclaimer and the CFTC rules. You should read it before you invest any money. And today the same thing we're going to do is we're going to run the video. So in a replay we couldn't fix this, but we saw that the indicators and the markets are okay to here. We're gonna start. Today is 9 o'clock. Before there was no trade. There was this trade and this trade, but that's little, let's say early. Let's say somebody starting 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Then there was 9 o'clock starting that trade. And today you will be watching this whole video because today was a hard day for us in our system. And the same thing, we're gonna take every divergence trade and we'll see end of the day what happens. So let's get started. If this is making divergence, let me explain here why these are not trades. So this is a little bit higher, 2 ticks higher than this, and this is higher low and higher low. So this was lower low from back. So this was trade. Actually it was something different here. Now it's showing something different a little bit. And this is lower low from these ones, but higher low on indicator. So that's why it's coming trade, and we have to put the order at 77. And 77 we have to put buy stop. Okay, and let's see, let's start it a little bit fast. We're gonna finish it. If it's coming more down, we're gonna move it more down. Okay, alright, it's came about, I think it's 71. So taking that trade at 71, if it's going up. Okay, in. So first target is 10 ticks, took me at 70, and the stop loss is at 42 because bottom is 43. So let me run it a little faster. Okay, it was really slow today sometimes. Okay, it was target filled. Okay, now it's making a divergence from this is higher high and this is lower high from this one. So we're gonna follow this at 74 and put the reversal trade there as well. Okay, if it's going up, then we will move it, otherwise we're gonna take that trade and exit from the long trade. Still there, didn't move it. Okay, we're in and exit from. Okay, first target filled, and let me move that to down to 3. It was actually 2 the top, and first target filled. Let it run. Until it's gonna make a divergence in the bottom, so we will not get out. Okay, now what is here is this is a little bit higher than this one, 2-3 ticks gain, and this one's higher, so it's not divergence is same like this one, so it's not divergence. I'm not getting out. Still at the stop loss at 0.3. Oops. Okay. Alright, so if somebody wasn't in this one, this is another trade coming short. This is making a higher high from these, and this is lower high from these, so this was another trade entry here, but we are already in, so we will not take that. Okay, now this is a divergence from this. It's a lower low, and this is higher low from these, so we will follow this now behind 63, and output buy as well, same time. So let it run a little faster. It's coming more down, we will move it. Okay, so 53. Oops. Okay, I'll move from that side. So 53. Okay, in and 10 ticks. And I'll move this to closer. Okay, first target filled. And this is actually a little bit more over. It's 24. Okay, let it run until it makes divergence. Okay, start making divergence. This is lower high, and this is getting higher high from these, so we will move that to 60. And I'll put the short trade as well. And let's see, running it. Okay, still it's lower low from these, and this is higher high, so we will move up. Okay, hold on. Yeah, exactly at 69, so we will take it at up. I don't know where it's taken. Alright, on the way. Okay, this is we got it wrong here. Well, let's see that one. That's okay, so let it run. We'll move the stop loss at top here, but actually it was 8 more ticks profit should be here, but because we got late and the replay was a little faster. So we're gonna have 8 more ticks loss if we got loss in this one, and we're gonna this here. Even we should get up by now this one, because it was 69 and came to 59, so we should be out from this one actually right here with the first target, because we lost that. It was running fast, so the result gonna be a little bit if less profit, or if it's a loss, then more loss. So shouldn't be that. It's gonna be, actually it's gonna be totally wrong with that. So I wanna get out from this one here, because it's gonna be double loss instead of making 10 ticks and 8 ticks out. So okay, let's close it here. I know it's gonna be a go loss, otherwise we're gonna take 10 ticks here, then 8 ticks should be 18 ticks should be lost. But let's say we taken that loss here and let it run. We're flat. Okay, now it's still making divergence. This is gone a higher high, and this is still it's lower than this one. So definitely that was loss, but there wasn't that much loss, because first this one we should take 10 ticks and we should be losing 28, so we missed that. And this one we are putting again at 92, so we took that loss here. It should be, if we took 8 ticks, so that's even that. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, ran. First is 10 ticks, target filled. Okay, now this is making divergence, coming in lower low from this one, but this is staying higher low. So 99 is, so it's about 1 o'clock, and I'm taken by here. It's 1:30 about. It was it's running this time so slow. It's a Friday and it's already 1:45 at that time when we saw it. It was running so long in this here. Okay, we're in, and the stop loss is at 71, and that's 10 ticks. Okay, and stop filled, and it's ran. This is not our order, and we're done for the day. And this is not our order to the short side, and this is our day. We lost a little bit of money today. So whole day we lost it if we didn't calculate the overnight. But if we calculate the overnight, this was 50 ticks. So then we should be in a plus, and plus these like 20 ticks. So we should be about $700, $800 plus here. 700 is $600, $700 if we take an overnight. But we start at 9 o'clock, finish at about 2:15 or so, and that's it. And this, so we have today's loss $150. Now many people were saying that, many traders were, our friends were saying that we always show that profit, but it was happening profit. It's not I'm showing it profit, it's not we showing it profit, it was happening the profit. So today you can see that whatever result is, we showed it. Definitely we haven't made a mistake here. So that was actually 18 ticks should be lost here. So we took that 18 ticks with one contract. I mean total 18 contract, 18 ticks. So we took here about what? Entry at 61, close at 77. So that's 16 ticks. Actually we took about 32 ticks loss, even more loss we took it here. So instead of taking 18 ticks total, here we took 32 in the two targets. I think that's the one, right? 61 and close and one target, yes, 16. So 32. It should be 18 here. So then we should be break even here, not that much. So that's all today. It's a Friday. So this is the first day we have loss in our system. Otherwise we had made one day was close to $7,000, and the other days are close to $3,000 every day, and today is $150 loss. So it was inside day. If you come to our trading room, I will tell you what is inside day. If you see that it was running only just this area, and when it's got up from that area, this was the border for that area. I'll show you that. This was border when it's gone up from that, and then it's run like crazy, but there was no overtrade, so that's why we're not taking that. And that's it, and here it is. So and I would like to there's one more thing. Let me do this a little bit. So here is our month trial. If you want to come for a month trial, the first month as a trial is a 75% off from the regular price. As a trial, you come into the room and see what our system works, and we will be putting the 6E as well. 6E is doing really good, and we're also looking the other bigger tick market is silver, and that is doing great with our system, but a little bit modification we have to do that with that. And that's it for have a good weekend, and we will make another video on Monday, and we will maybe we will make now less videos once in a while, and it was just you have to come to the room to see that. Maybe we can make every day if it's possible. So that's it for today, and we'll see. We'll make on Monday, and see you in our room. Thank you so much.